Hi everybody, and welcome back to this series of tutorials on Therion drawing using Inkscape and its extension, its Therion extension. Last lesson we learned how to draw simple walls, and in this lesson we will extend that knowledge to drawing of other types such as invisible walls and presumed walls. In order to illustrate this principle, we will use the example of Watership Down, which is now shown in blue. It's the deepest part of the cave Vertneria. And I've already started drawing, and we can directly move to our Inkscape drawing, where you can already see the center line, as well as a background image that I use, a simple screen grab, that I then placed in the background images layer. Okay, so now obviously I've already drawn all of the black lines as walls, but some of them need to be of a different type. For instance, let's zoom in here. Okay, here we have a steepled line in the previous drawing, which indicates that these two walls, shift click, should be of subtype presumed. Now, in order to do that, we move again to the extensions and to Therion, and there we set the line type. The type is wall, but in the options, we are able to enter a subtype. And here the syntax is almost always the same. It's a hyphen followed immediately by a command here, subtype, and the argument is what you want your wall to be. So the subtype here should be presumed. As simple as that. We don't want to merge it with existing options. In fact, there are none at the moment. We keep drop style there, and then we click apply. They're in working, and we can close. And already we see that the styling of the line in Inkscape has changed. But obviously for us, it's not that important. What we really want to see is whether the type has changed. So we'll just bring up the Objects Properties tab. Again, Control-Shift-O. It's appeared up here on the right, and here we see in the title place that this is a line of type wall, but of subtype presumed. It's already set, so that's fine. Now, sometimes in complicated scraps or complicated bits of map, Therion needs help to find out what the end of the passage is. And in this case, in the case of Watership Down, we have a couple of open ends that might throw Therion off guard. So I will just select those, and they are drawn as walls for now. But they're open ends, so they should not appear as closed walls. Now, so then they're selected. I just go to extensions again, and Therion, and I set the line type, and instead of having it being presumed, we just want it to be invisible. And we click apply, and the styling will change again. You can see, in fact, here if I zoom in, that in order to indicate that this is an invisible wall, Therion has changed it to a more transparent stroke color. Zoom out again. Okay, and so that's more or less it in order to change the styling of walls in Therion. In fact, if we select this, you can see in the object properties, this is truly a wall of subtype invisible. So we can just save and continue drawing. So that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we will probably look at line borders and other custom lines that are not of type wall.